Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I apply my mascara and what I do to make my lashes look a little bit longer. I'm using this eyelash curler. One of the keys is to use an eyelash curler, and you got to get one that's going to work for your eyes. This one is from Kevin Akon. I hope I'm saying his name right. Kevin Akon. Amazing makeup artist that he was. Loved him. But anyway, so I am using this eyelash curler. Now what I do is I take my hairdryer and I heat it a little bit. Please have some common sense. Don't stick it on your eyes if it's going to burn your eyeball off, okay? Have some common sense. You're going to want to test it on your arm to see. If you put it on your arm and it's hot, guess what? It's going to burn your eyelid. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. You want to take your eyelash curler and you want to apply it, grip it like this. Little word to the wise here. Do not ever do this and multitask and do something else. When I was a teenager, I was curling my eyelashes. I got up to multitask and do something else, and I tripped and my lashes came out. So, not really smart. You can see already, see how that's curled it? I'm going to do it again. And curl, curl, curl. Kind of squeeze it and curl. Now, if you have really nice lashes and you don't have to do that, you are really lucky. I'm not one of those people. I'm going to take my eyelash primer. This one is from Chanel, and I'm going to apply it to these lashes. I usually only do my upper lashes. Now I'm not going to let it dry. I'm actually going to go in with my mascara right away, and I'm going to go in with my Dior. This one has kind of curved and it's waterproof. I have to wear waterproof mascara. If I don't wear waterproof mascara, it just does not, it doesn't, like, it will make my eyelashes go straight. This sometimes will do that too. My lashes have been terrible, but regular mascara is worse. So I'm going to take this, keeping my head back. Do you see where I'm keeping my head back? And I'm looking at this mirror, and I am just wiggling my lashes and pulling up. Like that. And don't worry if you get a little bit of mascara on your eyelid. It happens to me still. Just fix it when you're done doing your lashes. So again, see what I'm doing? Kind of going back and forth. Now I know there's some people that take it and go like this on their upper lashes. Congratulations, because I am not somebody that's ever been able to do that. You have amazing lashes. If I did that, all I would do is get mascara on my lid. So I'm just wiggling and pulling it up. If you just go like this and apply your mascara, you can do some of that, but you've got to, it's kind of like you're teasing you're teasing it a little bit. And it's really gripping on your lashes when you do it this way. You see this eye and that eye? So if I didn't curl my lashes and I just applied this mascara, you wouldn't see my lashes at all because they go stick straight out. I am going to go ahead and finish my other eye, and I will be right back. One more thing you can do that I didn't finish yet, and that is creating a little bit more of a thicker lash look. And this is going to make my eyes pop a little bit more too. So what I did today is, instead of using, because I did a whole minimal makeup look, I added just a little bit of an eyeshadow just at that lash line. But if you want to kick it up a notch, this is what you want to do and make your lashes look thicker. So you're going to see the before and after. Okay, so I'll start with this eye. So I'm going to go ahead in here and go right on that waterline. Just the upper waterline. If you do your whole eye, it would definitely make my eyes pop more, but it's also going to make my eyes look smaller, and I don't want that. So I'm just going to do this right on the upper. So can you see the difference between that and that eye? This definitely looks more natural. and everything, but this just makes my lashes look a little bit thicker and brings my eyes out. So I'm going to do the same thing with this eye. Now this is an eyeliner I've been using from Pixie, and I really like it. It does stay on, but I noticed for me, I have to put my mascara on first and then do this, because if I don't, it transfers. I think because, I don't know why. I don't know if I'm blinking my eye too much after, but I have to do this after I apply my mascara. I'm going to let you get close up so you can see. So that is it. That's how I do my mascara, and you can see what my lashes look like. If you're using an eyelash curler and you're heating up with a dryer, please use common sense and do not put it directly on your eyes, because you will burn your skin off. You want to let it cool, put it on, hit this part of your wrist and touch it there and see how it is. If it feels like it's hot, guess what? It's too hot for your eyes. You just want it to be just a little bit warm. They do sell eyelash curlers. It didn't work for me because it wasn't enough of a curl. My eyelashes didn't fit all inside of it, but if they do, that's something you can look for. Like I said, I tested one out and it didn't work for me. It was nice that I had the heat option, but it just wasn't a nice curler for me. If you were like me and you have lashes that no matter what you do, they go straight, it could be the mascara that you're using. I know for me, if I do not use a waterproof, my eyelashes go straight. I hate that because I don't like to use waterproof, because you have to be very, very careful with how you the eye makeup off, and I do. I use waterproof, and I'm really, really careful about it. I just put some, I soak some on a square pad. I hold it on my eye for a little bit, and then I gently take it off. So you have to be really careful with waterproof. It is the only kind I can use. You can see my eyelashes are still curled. If I use regular, it's like this, and it looks like I have no lashes. I always use some sort of primer. I was using the L'Oreal, and I found that that was starting to make my eyelashes go straight. So I am using a lash serum, and I'm going to tell you which one I'm using. I have been using X-Lash lash serum. I have used Revitalash. Revitalash was working for me, and then it stopped working for me. I was using New Lash, and that one just never really took off for me. I used City Beauty lashes, and that one was okay, but I hated the wand. It was this plastic wand on it. It wasn't a brush, and I just did not like that. I started using this, and my lashes are growing back. I had bare spots over here. I had bare spots over there. I have no idea why, but since I have been using this, my lashes are growing. This stuff is fabulous. I'm going to keep on using it, and hopefully my lashes will keep growing. I know so many of you guys mentioned castor oil. I tried it. I tried using it for several months, like, I don't even know, like a year or so ago. I don't even remember when I did. I know it was what everybody said to use. It did not work for me. It didn't work for me. I wish it did, because that's a lot cheaper than this stuff. I can't remember what I paid for this, but I will leave a link below because I know I got this on Amazon. My lashes are growing back. I'm going to tell you that I really like wearing my false lashes up because those are a little bit longer, but these are my own lashes right now. That's how I get my long lashes. So using a primer, curling, using a primer, using a waterproof mascara, and then using some sort of a serum. But if there's any serums that you really like that work for you, let me know in the comments. Have you used this X-Lash? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, because what works for me may not work for you. So it's always good for you guys to share different things, because you might have tried what I use and you're like, it didn't work for me. Somebody else can maybe list something below that you guys can check out as well. That's what this is all about. It's all about helping each other. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it. It helps my channel and I appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed here, just click that button below. Hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. And that is it. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.